In this video we are going to learn how to create a test in Tau. The test has two sections, one with instructions and another one with the questions. In the tree on the left hand side you can see our item collection. Now let's switch to the test tab. Select the folder, create a new test and rename it to basic test. Now click on Authoring to open the test editor. As you can see, a test consists of three levels. The outer level is the test itself. Inside there lives a test part, and inside the test part a section. Test parts and sections are created to structure a test, and you can add as many as you want. And you can easily delete them by clicking on the trash can. We are going to use one test part in this example that holds two sections, one for the instructions and one for the questions. Next we are going to select the questions from the tree and add them to the test. Now we take the two instructional items and add them to the first section. You can use the little arrows to reorder items, sections or test parts. When you click on the gears, you can access the properties of an element. Now let's configure the test. We start with the title, which along with the section title will be displayed in the test runner. You can leave the default values for all identifiers. If you want to change them, however, keep in mind that you can only use Latin characters without accents, numbers, underscores and hyphens. Test parts can either be linear or non-linear. Linear means that they go only in one direction, so there is only a next button. Non-linear means there is also a previous button. In the test runner, the section name will be appended to the title, so let's rename them to something meaningful. You could as well rename the identifier, but you will have to stick to the same rules we mentioned before. Now you can save your test. It's ready to be compiled into a delivery.